A deal that got going on through HIPA where you can get some carburetor kits for $9.90 here. And also chainsaw file kits are going to be coming out with soon. So, well, that said, let's start turning some wrenches. Let's talk about these deals going on here. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's John, and my friends call me Turning Wrenches 85 here. Hope everybody's doing good so far. Welcome back to the channel. HIPA usually that helps me with some of the stuff I need going on with any of the equipment I'm working on. They've been good to me here so far lately. Colin reached out to me, and they're having a $9.90 deal on some carburetor kits going on there. If you want to go check out HIPAstore.com, they got a if you use my affiliate code TW85, I think you can get 10% off your order. Or they got another one that's welcome back. You could try also, I think. So it's one of those two you can use. There, I know one of them he said welcome back, but I know my affiliate link, you can try that too, and I'd take some off your order too as well. Right now, I didn't see a thing on when they're gonna have done with that deal. I can tell you some of the things, some of the carburetor kits are going to have right now. Let's see if I can pull it up here real quick for you guys. I'll name some of them off that he told me about. They just started this deal the other day. He told me the kits. Let's see. So some of the kits are going to include carburetor kits for Honda GX140, the GX200, HS55 HS521, and the EG 2200X generator carburetor kits. For Stihl, it's the 025, 023, 021, MS210, MS230, and MS250C. Chainsaw carburetor kits are going to be for the Poulan chainsaw. They're going to have chainsaw chains and HIPA gloves on sale too, as well. There, so like I said, they got some deals going on. Like I said, I just went on their site. I don't see an expiration of when it's going to be for. So I would probably just jump on there while you can and get some of them, and then use the affiliate link too. I mentioned TW85 to get to some of that stuff. I'll have to look on there and see if there's anything I might want to get. Because I got a lot of equipment I got to fix. Anyway, also, they got a chainsaw file kit they're going to be coming out with. And they were nice to send out to me. Now, I have personally never sharpen any chainsaws blades personally. It don't look like it's that hard to do from what I see on the picture there and what I looked at so far. I've had to do this. I gotta do this video all over again. I did the video and somehow my memory card didn't catch it all, so I had to do this all over again after I just did it. But anyway, so that's why the packaging is opened up. You just gotta love cameras. Anyway, this is the file kit you come with. You got your depth gauge right here for your chain pitch, rivets, and your depth gauge radius and all that for a 1/4 inch and all that. So you got your little gauge right there to check on. And from what I looked at on the picture, the way this looks, I don't have a chain on here, so it looks like you take your file, it'd be one of these files, you put in your handle right here, like so, and then you would put your chain through here, probably while you're on the chainsaw, and then you just put it through here to guide your chain through there, like so. So what it looks like on the kit, the guy's got this on the chain, and then he's got this in the groove, and then you put this through here in your file, which you probably could use with the regular file as well too. They come with a regular file there. Now this file is 11/64, which is 4.5 millimeters. They have other ones as well in here. And on the back, the round sizes are 5/32, 3/16, and 7/32. On the pitch on the 5/32, it's 5/3/8 LP. 3/16, the pitch is 3.325, and the 7/32 is 3/8. There, but you got like your pretty nice kit there. That's your 11/64. What's one of the other ones I got here? This one is your 3/16 right there. You got 9/64 there as well, and you got a 3 millimeter. No, it's a 5 millimeter one there as well. There's your 5/32, which is your 4.0 millimeter. And your big one here, which is your 7/32, 5.5. So, I mean, they look like a decent kit here. I'm not sure what this is. Somebody's going to quote me on this. I have never sharpened chainsaws before, so this is all new to me. This is probably some gauge for it of some sort. It didn't tell me exactly what it is. Somebody's gonna rag me on this. That's okay. It's probably a guide or something for it, but that comes with it. But it's a pretty nice kit there with all this. So you know, I don't know. He hadn't told me exactly when they're coming out with this. He just sent it out to me to show you guys that the kits are gonna come out with. So some more chainsaw experts will probably be wanting this more if you guys are trying to save money on sharpening your chains, and it saves you from having to go buy some new ones if you don't have to. So I want to thank Colin for sending me this out. I'll try it out at some point here and see how it works. But I think it'd be a nice little kit there. And, you know, you can wrap it up here, and then you can store it in a pretty good place here. It's Velcro. That's neat. You can fold it up like this. This is probably something else to fold it up with. I haven't figured it out yet. Like I said, all new to me. You just sent this out to me today. So, Colin, I appreciate it for sending this out to me to review. Well, not really review. I'm just showing you guys right now because I just wanted to show you guys these kits are going to be coming out with soon. There, if you want to sharpen your chainsaws. Don't forget to check out that deal they got going on through HIPA, the $9.90 thing. So, if you got any small engine equipment you're trying to get going for 2023, this is the time to get it. If you can't get the old ones working like you want to, and sometimes half the kits are expensive if you want to get the diaphragms and stuff, so it's better off just to go get the whole carburetor again on some of them sometimes, just depending on what it is. I mean, I like to try to save the old stuff if I can, but sometimes if you're in a pinch and you're not able to get it with fixed with the OEM stuff, you have to go that route, unfortunately. But I mean, sometimes HIPA, I don't have really any problems with it. I'm actually doing. You guys will see this video come out soon. I already done it already. I just gotta. It's in queue. I actually gotta edit it. I'm doing a review on something I bought from HIPA, and we're putting it through its paces for 2023 to see what it goes out with. So you'll see that video come out here soon. And I got some other videos I've already worked on. I just gotta edit them and put them out there. So getting ready for 2023. Welcome to spring 2023 here, everybody. So thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it as always. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Helps me out there. It doesn't cost you guys anything, but helps me help this channel grow, and and all that. Check everybody else out in the small engine community there as well. Check out their videos too. Subscribe to them. Real quick, I know he hasn't got up there yet, and I mentioned him before. There's a bunch of them I know. I can't remember off the bat, but a few of them, if you guys see they're not up there in subscriber counts, and you guys haven't subscribed to their channels, give them a thumbs up. Their channels are worth watching. Some of them should be up there and their channels more than I have. They put out more videos than I have, and yeah, I've already hit my mark there, and I'm monetized on my videos, but still, they should have already been up there by now and should have been up there. Gravely Man, he's sitting at like 900 and last I checked it was 961. He should have been way up there by now. He should have been way ahead of me. He deserved it more than I do there. So there's a lot of small engine channels I've seen that are not up there yet. Lawnmower Detective, he should be already up over 1,000 by now. Go check him out. He's a good channel as well. Big Dog Repair, Henry Morowski, he should have already been up there by now. These channels should already be up there before I should have got up there in mine, because they put out way more content than I have there and what they do. So I'm probably missing some people on there, and I apologize if I do, but just check them out if you guys haven't checked out any of these small engine channels. They're good at what they do too. They're probably way better than me on what I do. So, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Okay, I appreciate it as always. So keep on turning those wrenches, y'all. I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all take care.